Quantum Aura Lab, we explore the science. Inspired world of biokinesis and subliminals through sound waves. We study how frequencies and subconscious cues can influence focus, relaxation, and self-awareness. We don't promise cures or miracles. Instead, we offer educational experiments you can try safely while you relax, reflect, and learn. Our process is inspired by research on frequencies, brain states, and bioenergy, and we collaborate with advisors in sound engineering, psychology, and lab-based audio research to create structured, intentional audio experiences. This isn't just a channel. It's a biofield experiment, a gateway to your hidden potential. Science shows sound waves reshape reality. Binaural beats sync brainwaves to theta states, unlocking subconscious reprogramming. Here, 4332 hits frequencies tap quantum bioenergy, influencing hormones, cells, and DNA expression. We harness biokinesis and subliminals, directing biological energy through layered waves and hidden informations. From deep sleep, support to eye color shifts, each video activates your inner mechanisms. Studies on neuroplasticity prove it. Consistent listening rewires neural pathways for real wellness shifts. Beginner support for new explorers. This channel is a space for curious minds who want to learn, experiment, and see how sound and suggestion can support focus, calm, and inner growth, always alongside professional medical care when needed. We also help beginners understand the ideas behind biokinesis and subliminals, and to explore how targeted audio may support mental relaxation and inner awareness. If you ever need guidance or have questions about the channel, you can reach us at quantumoralab@gmail.com.
Embrace this as your spiritual wellness adventure for relaxation, mental clarity, and inner transformation only. Not medical advice. Consult pros for health needs. Yet within these frequencies lies potential. Elevate your mind, harmonize your spirit, awaken untapped power. Results bloom with belief. Dive in, you're ready.
You're not just watching.
You're becoming the frequency.
If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share. Leave a comment with your experience, and don't forget to click the bell so you never miss the biokinesis journey of the Quantum Aura Lab.